Hi, my name is Patrick Schmidt, and I'm an accountant by trade. So I spent 8 years in finance and accounting, both as an external auditor and also a financial accountant out in industry. I also happen to be a user of BlackLine for over 5 years. So in today's video, we're going to talk about actual transformation and how it starts with transforming actuals, and why accounting is really a no-regret place to start your digital transformation. So accounting leaders are under more and more pressure than ever to optimize their finance and accounting operations, right? This, I'm sure, sounds familiar to everybody watching the video. Our teams are stretched, right? We have new challenges to keep up with that are getting thrown in our way, right? So that means regulatory requirements such as new and changing standards. We're supporting strategic initiatives, so think M&A activity as the business continues to grow. And not to mention, we have to adhere to the typical strict accounting principles that we do day in and day out. And believe it or not, we're not getting more FTEs to do so. So we're being asked again to do more with less, right? So it's really no longer a question of whether or not technology should be a part of a CFO's agenda. It's a question of how, right? Or where do we start? Or what is going to be the best sequence or combination that is going to bring value to the business? So with that said, in the rising to the challenge, folks in and around the office of the CFO are quick to reach for predictive analytics or intelligent forecasting as transformation focus areas. And while there are a bunch of vendors out there that promise these things, there's a big caveat to that, right? Because access to the benefits of those different solutions is going to be dependent on the completeness and accuracy of your accounting data. And just to throw a metric out there, 42% of finance and accounting professionals stated that they do not completely trust the accuracy of their organization's financial data. So when you really think about it, actuals are the basis for and the inputs to downstream financial operational activities, right? So if you aren't following the best practice and if you don't have your actuals right, that ultra modern forecasting or analytical tool is only going to give you unreliable data faster. So simply put, you can't get planning and forecasting if you don't have more timely, frequent, and trusted actuals, right? So actuals are the basis for, and again, the input to the downstream financial operations activities, right? Because without accurate financials, there's no decision that can be made effectively, or, it can't be made with confidence, right? So BlackLine's financial close platform provides a seamless, unified, and complete platform to deliver accurate actuals, right? We call it connected transparency. So there is a single line of sight, a view of financial performance starting from the individual transaction and then all the way to the consolidated financials. We have that level of transparency and really confidence in the numbers. So, again, you're confident that your process is going to deliver complete and accurate financial information. Now, the BlackLine Close platform is a no-regret starting point to optimize finance and accounting operations. You really don't have to take our word for it. Our customers say it all the time. Let's take a look at a quote from Hershey. So Hershey decided to implement BlackLine ahead of their SAP S/4 upgrade. What they decided they needed was a place to centralize data and processes, right? Meaning they're integrating seamlessly with SAP for their account substantiation process and beyond. So one thing I want to highlight is while each solution provides its own benefits and automation, these capabilities multiply when used together. So with that said, if you guys want to drop us a like, subscribe to the channel, and then even drop in a comment if there's anything that you want to talk about for this particular topic, or share other interesting topics that you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thank you.